my scones, my new Realme 7 5G phone, and a cup of affogato. What more can I ask? And it's time to enjoy. You know what? I was about to do a review on this Realme 7 5G phone, and I realized there are lots of great review videos on this phone already. So I'm going to focus on showing you the close-up physical looks of it and tell you why I really like it. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective up-close and physical video. If you are new to this up-close and physical series, follow the link and watch the 2-minute introduction video. The link is also in the description down below. As we go along, if you have any specific questions about this phone, please feel free to ask me in the comments down below, and I'll try my best to answer all of them. Okay, let's have an up-close and physical look at this Realme 7 5G. Starting with the camera specs. By the way, all the specifications of this phone are in the description down below. This is how big the camera bump is. Not very big to be honest, but I noticed one of its quirks. Notice the screen is protruding from the frame of the phone instead of sitting flushed with the frame like many other phones. And because of that, this phone is quite a thick phone. The SIM card tray is located on the top left, and I'll show you more of this SIM card tray at the end of this video. And the volume up and down buttons are individual buttons. They are also positioned at the perfect height, right in the middle of the phone where our left thumb is, like the fingerprint sensor on the other side. Speaking of the fingerprint sensor, that's the best part I like about this phone. The fingerprint sensor is amazingly fast and accurate. When it's on the table, I can easily touch the sensor on the side of the phone to unlock it. And it works really well when I'm holding on to the phone too. I can easily unlock it using my right thumb. Once again, the position of the fingerprint sensor is just perfect. And when I hold it with my left hand, I can also unlock it easily using my left index finger. This is the 30-watt DAT charging brick that comes in the box. I can feel a big difference in terms of charging speed compared to the Galaxy Note 10 fast charging. My Galaxy Note 10 15 watts charging is quite fast already, but this is even faster. One thing I realized is that the cable is a lot thicker too. This is the white cable that comes with this 30-watt DAT charging brick, compared to an average USB charging cable from my Galaxy Note 10. It makes sense because the thicker wires are needed to pump through the higher voltage. The casing that comes with the phone is a really good quality case, with very nice precise cutouts for all the ports and buttons. And I love their attention to detail on this case. I like the slightly tinted transparent case. The dark tint kind of tones down the loud silver color of this Realme 7 5G. And look at the camera cutout. It's so perfect. The same kind of goes for all the cutouts at the bottom of the phone. Even the volume rocker has a plus and minus label on it. Such attention to details. Now, the case opening for the fingerprint sensor is big enough that it doesn't interfere with unlocking the phone. And I noticed another nice touch on this case that comes with the phone. The four corners of the case edges are raised ever so slightly. It's a very subtle touch to protect the phone without adding bulk to the case and the phone overall. And the earpiece speaker grill is really thin, allowing the screen to be built really close to the edge of the phone. I'm not sure if you can see the speaker grills on the video. Oh, and there is even a Realme logo on the casing. I really like the attention to detail once again. It might just be a case, but having such a good case that comes included saves me the trouble of searching for one. Even flagship phones like Samsung S21 does not have a case included. And this is the close-up of the SIM card and SD card tray. This is the first time I'm using a Realme phone, and I'm pretty happy with this phone as my second phone. My main phone is still my Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which is kind of outdated by now and kind of needs an upgrade. Anyway, if you like close-up tech gear videos like this, remember to subscribe to the channel. My channel has been growing progressively. Thanks to all of you supporting my work. Hope you like this new up-close and physical video series. Let me know what you think. And okay, that's it for this one. Take care and look after yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!